We have a couple of things in enlightened stock trading. I have a whole a course, a program that teaches all of the aspects from launch through to building confidence, through to diversification, automation, and then really mastering the high level concepts. So having a curriculum that you work through and learn, I think, is critical. Second one is having a community that you're surrounded by, like-minded communities, so that you can ask questions, share experience, and be supported and support others. Most traders, most people who are investing their money do it on their own. They're isolated. They don't have anyone sensible they can talk to about it. And that's a real problem because you don't know if you're doing the right things or the wrong things. You've got no one to call you out. You've got no one to sense check things with. And chances are you might have a buddy who trades or invests in stocks, but if your buddy is not professional, who knows if they're giving you good advice? Having a community of people who are on the same path, on the same journey, and doing it well is really, really powerful.